Rigetti Computing's earnings are in 2 weeks, and here is exactly what you need to know. Now, Rigetti's name has gotten a little bit more mainstream recently after its meteoric rise only about a month ago from $15 in September up to $56 per share in October. And you may have seen other quantum computing stocks like Ionic or D-Wave following a very similar pattern. But let's break down the goods and the bads for Rigetti. Now, the goods are that there is speculation of government investing coming for Rigetti, and Forbes have actually just released an article only yesterday or the day before speculating $80 a share for Rigetti. Now, with potential government funding on the horizon, quantum computing could move to more of a legitimate technology and something that we may actually see in the short term rather than long term around the year 2040. Another good thing is that there is still a sizable market for it as it currently stands with around 2 billion. However, in that year of 2040, the market is expected to grow to around 70 up to 190 billion, showing that there is still a hell of a lot of room to grow. And lastly, Rigetti holds the title for the largest multi-chip quantum system, which it achieved earlier this year. Now for the bads. There was major speculation only about last week of the CEO selling his entire stake in the company. This now has been squashed though, but that did lead to the company losing around 15 or 20% of its value. And speaking of values, the valuation of this company far exceeds their current fundamentals by a long shot, with the company projected to do around 9 million in revenue. However, the market cap for the company right now is sat around 12 billion. Now, this is not to say that you should sell your shares immediately. I still have around £3,000 worth of shares of Rigetti as of October the 25th. But if they do struggle to secure contracts or government funding, we may see quite a big correction coming for this stock. But for me, Rigetti was always a longer term play. But I'm always keen to know, do you hold the stock and what are your plans to do before their earnings in 2 weeks?